Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can change Roblox profile picture, and it will be a complete quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, if you want to change the Roblox profile picture, you just need to go over here. Once you click over here, then here you will have a couple of options. You just need to click on edit profile and then click this one. Once you click over here, from that page you can choose any of them for your users, and all are not free, so you just need to be understand. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, you just need to buy Roblox, and then you are allowed to add it in as it your profile picture. So if you have enough this coin, then you can go with this one. So here, let's say we are going to add this one, so I will click on this one and then I'll just click this one, and it will be added in my profile as in my profile picture. So this is the easiest way to change your profile picture in Roblox. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you on the next video with an interesting topic again.